5:45.
It's also 5:45. Birchbox.
Bit late in the day. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a pretty box.
Cath Kitson.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
This is Mum's Birchbox. Yeah, just horse it on the floor. That's fine. Birchbox is £10 a month and on £2.95 delivery.
Yeah, I think so.
This is Mum's Birchbox. I don't get it anymore, but Mum does every month. So this is what she's got. Does it look good?
Don't know. I haven't even looked
Not
at it.
you.
I'm sorry.
Does it look good? Oh, okay. Right.
What have we
Let's
got?
get your little
time.
pretty box. Right. So
Brighten
you've
up
got
your
15% off Cath Kitson there. And then you've got brighten up your day. Oh, you've got lots. Okay, so you grab something and I'll tell you.
Right, there's something here in a little thingy.
A thingy.
And it is a
teeny tiny baked highlighter. Model Co. And this
in moonshine.
This is not
quite sure what
I was
you
going to say
do
this.
with
The
that.
full size one of these is £24. This can't be a full size.
Well, this is a microscopic sized one.
Because Birchbox always do teeny tiny samples because they're stingy as fuck, aren't they, Mum?
Well, I don't know about. No, don't. You've ripped the box. Oh, it's such a sweet little box.
What are you going to do with it?
Don't know.
Marry the box?
No. Oh, now whoopie doodah. What does that do?
It's a highlighter. It's pretty.
Is it? Okay,
Yeah, let's get some highlighter on your face, Mum.
Go on then.
I'm going to highlight Mum's face.
Right, okay. You're just doing one side. Are you doing both sides?
Well, I can't do both sides at once, can I?
No, I suppose not. Thank you.
It's really pretty.
Is it?
It's kind of like a shimmery.
Can you tell I've
apricot-y.
got it on?
Yeah, look, if you tilt your head sideways, look, you see this here? Look in the camera. See this like shimmer?
Yeah.
That's your highlight.
Thank you.
It's nice, I like it.
Good.
Little tiny one, that's nice, but it's £24 for it's a full size.
Back in its little
But it is
cubby
teeny
hole.
tiny.
Thank you.
Go on then.
Right, the next thing we have, I recognise this, is
What is
Cath Kitson hand cream.
This is £2.50.
What,
And
this?
is just, yeah, and this is just a hand cream.
It's no more water.
It's because you've emptied the water butt, because you're a butt.
Right, so that's just... What's it smell of? It looks like it might smell of roses.
I don't know, I don't think so. What's it say?
No, it just smells sort of clean.
It's exclusive birthday rose packaging, but it doesn't smell like roses because roses
No,
smell disgusting.
I don't like anything. It's actually quite
that
full.
smells
That is.
lovely. Yeah, that's like a
It's
properly full sample. It's not, but it's not a sample. This is full size.
That's
This is
a nice little
30
thing to
ml.
have in your handbag.
Yeah,
that
that's
is.
good. She likes that.
size.
Well
Yes,
done.
get a tick for that one.
What else you got?
Right, here is something that's squidgy, and it's a Hask coconut oil something or other. Must be like a deep nourishing conditioner, which looks really nice.
That isn't
Look.
on here.
Is it not?
No.
Oh,
not
maybe
on
they
Mum's.
put it in mine by mistake.
Yeah, you should have the Model Co highlighter, the
Yeah.
Cath Kitson, and then you should have a brow gel, a night mask, and an illuminator.
Maybe this is a night mask.
No, you're missing your illuminator, but you've got that instead.
Oh.
Mum, it says on here what she should have had. I'm going to contact them because you should have had that,
Yeah.
and that's way better than that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, well this looks quite
It looks
fun.
nice. It's a coconut
It's
oil.
very big. It looks like it's a proper size job
This is a deep conditioning
for hair.
hair. Leave on for 10 minutes. So you'll probably get like 4 uses out of that. for
Oh
your
right,
hair,
you
I
don't
imagine.
bung it all on. And
You
what's
probably
this
could,
funny
but-
thing?
Yeah, that's nice. But
But I
that isn't
haven't got
what
the
that isn't what she's
everything.
supposed to have. She should have a Marcel BB cream illuminator, which I'm jealous of because I like shit like that.
I can't get this.
That is a Botanic Beauty Fill and Tame Brow Gel in blonde, brunette or black. What colour have you got
I have
first
no
before you undo
idea.
it? Because you don't want to... Oh, you're brunette, that's right for you.
I don't know. Can't get in it. Don't do that with your teeth, darling. You
Why?
only get one set of teeth. You
Are the
should
children
not have
okay?
them. Can't see them.
Well, there's one there.
Oh yeah, there's one there. Aria? Where's Aria, Mika? Oh, I can see her arm. It's okay.
It's a brow gel.
All right.
It's an okay colour for you.
Is it? That's good then. They guessed that right then, didn't they?
Oh, I think you probably put into your
Did I?
profile that you're a brunette.
Oh right, okay.
That's nice.
Good, lovely.
Full size one of these is... Oh, this is full size apparently.
Is it?
Oh my god, this fucker says it's full size as well.
It can't
No,
be.
it can't be. They have got, that's not, it's not, I'm just, these two things down here, like little colour coordinated things, tell you if it's full size or a Birchbox exclusive. That and that look very similar, but that is full size. So this is full size, £8.60. That looks the same, but it's not, that's just
That's a Birchbox
exclusive.
Right,
So,
there we go.
yeah, and that would have been a Birchbox exclusive as well. And then your last thing you've got
Oh, I'd forgotten about that one.
is
What's
a
that?
Lumen Valo Light Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream.
Oh, it helps you sleep, does it?
No. Forget 10-step skincare routines and fancy facials. This moisturiser does the hard work for you where you catch those all-important Z's. Cloudberry seed extract.
What is a cloudberry? Have you ever seen a cloudberry?
Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid work to replenish your skin's
I've
natural
never
moisture
seen a
levels. So
cloudberry.
that's nice. That's nice, you'll use that. Look at your highlight, it looks lovely. Can you see it?
Right, that's that box done then.
Yeah. What do you think?
That's quite
Rate
nice.
out of 10.
I would give it a 7.
Oh, that's quite good.
Is it okay?
What's your choice? It's your box.
Yes, but I didn't get
But
it
you'll
all.
use everything. Well, you did get everything. You got 5 items, and you always
Yeah,
get
but why
5
didn't
items,
I
but they
get
got you
that
the wrong
thing
They got the wrong thing in there. So
Yes.
I think we should contact Birchbox
and tell them they're wrong.
and tell them they need
Yeah.
to send you one of these.
Okay.
But yeah, that
alright.
was Mum's Birchbox.
Okay.
If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up.
Yes.
What else?
And don't forget to subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already.
Well done.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye.
Bye.